Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. This cute organizer basket has removable dividers and was hardened with glue, and it makes a fantastic gift. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to crochet the small organizer basket with removable dividers, you will need some cotton yarn. I'm using Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton yarn, a G+ crochet hook. You will also need some Elmer's glue all. This one dries clear and fast, and you will also need some water. Start with a magic ring, chain 1 and add 8 single crochets to the ring. Then close the ring and slip stitch to the first stitch. I prefer using the invisible slip stitch, so I'm just pulling my loop back from the back to the front. And now we're going to crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet, a chain of 1, and another single crochet in the same stitch. Now repeat that. 1 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet, chain of 1, and 1 single crochet. Repeat that until the end of the round. Now do the invisible slip stitch again. So remove your hook, move your hook from the back to the front, put your loop around it, and pull it to the back. Now let's go to the next round. Crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch until you reach the chain of 1. Once you reach the chain of 1, which is right here, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, a chain of 1, and 1 single crochet right into that chain space. Then again, 1 single crochet per stitch until you reach the corner. In the corner, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, a chain of 1, and 1 single crochet. Repeat this all the way around. Now repeat this round, meaning 1 single crochet per stitch until you reach the corner. In each corner, there will be 1 single crochet, a chain of 1, and 1 single crochet, and repeat that all the way around until you have 11 rounds and you made a fairly large square. Now you're simply going to go in rounds, 1 single crochet per stitch. Now I turned my work so that the pretty side is on the outside. And as you can see, I continued on doing the invisible slip stitch, and I did it in a total of 12 rounds. And after the last round, I went in, made 1 round of slip stitches all the way around to provide a pretty border. You have 2 choices down here though. Once you start going from that square into rounds, you can simply just crochet into both loops, or like I did, I just went into 1 loop. So that means I left the back loop and I went into the front loop because I turned it around, right? If you're looking at it from the inside. However, if you turn it around and you work this way, obviously this would be the front loop, and then I went into the back loop. After the first round, I simply went into both loops. Once you're done, you have this basket. Now it's time to make the dividers. The dividers are 2 rectangles with 20 stitches per row. So that means you make a chain of 21. Then you're going to crochet 1 single crochet starting from the second chain from the hook into each stitch. So 20 stitches per row, and you're going to make 11 rows. You're going to make 2 pieces, then you fold the 2 pieces together and sew them together in the center. That will make this divider. Now in order to stiffen it up, and you can see already that this is stiff, although it's still a little bendy because it's still kind of drying, so the bottom piece takes a little longer to dry. I was hoping it would be done by filming this video, but it isn't. So the top part is dry ready, the bottom is not. Gravity pulls it down, so this bottom part takes a little longer, so I highly recommend leaving it on a rack so there's airflow from the bottom and it will dry a little faster. And then this piece, on the other hand, to make sure this stays like an X, you need some stability. But let's talk about how you stiffen it up. 1-to-1 ratio with Elmer's glue and water. Mix it together, then soak your pieces into it, and then let them dry. I'm letting my divider dry in this. It may take a little bit longer to dry though, because there's no airflow, but I need some stability in order to stay like an X. So I use some paper towel to put those around it, so that way it stays where it needs to stay. So simply adjust it. The top part over here is already hard, but I know the bottom part is not. So this takes a little bit longer to dry. So you're going to have to, you can adjust it and mold it a little bit as it's drying to make sure it stays where it needs to stay. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number 1 is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number 2 is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer-friendly. Number 3 is my membership, and you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number 4 is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos. And the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I'm publishing a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.